Okay, replacement theory part number 2. Just now we completed two row sums. Now we have a 3-row sums. So look at the 3-row sums. So we have a year column also given, maintenance cost also given, resale value also given. Guys, note that here we have a 3-row sums. So be careful. So when we are writing the formula and what are the columns should be, and these two columns also, sometime it should be a shuffling. Second column resale value is given, third column maintenance cost also given. So be careful when we are going to solve the 3-row sum. Obviously in the examination, this is the high voltage question that is called, this is the high voltage question that is called 3-row sums. Okay, let me start this question now. The cost of a scooter is 36,000. Its maintenance cost and resale values are given. Okay. So, fine. With the respective of data are there. And here also data with us. Just you can able to write it. Okay. Yes. The first column, obviously, years. The second column, maintenance cost. So, denoted as CI. The years is 1 to 6. The maintenance cost CI, it should be 800, 1,300, 1,900, 2,700, and 3,900, and 5,400. Now, previously, 2-row sum, S of n is given is only one value. But here, 6 year, the values are given. So we are able to write it. The first one, 2,800, sorry, 28,000. So 22,000, 20,000, 18,000, 17,000, 16,000. Okay, first we are able to write the formula. Total cost is equal to P minus S of n plus summation of CI. Same formula. Okay. The first we are going to start same thing, summation of CI. Same thing, summation of CI. Okay, cumulative. The first one, 800. The first one, 800 plus 1,300. So that is 2,100 plus 1,900. That is 4,000 plus 2,700. That is 6,700 plus 3,900. So that is 10,600 plus 5,400. So finally, 16,000. Okay. Now P minus summation of CI is finished. As usual, now look at the formula P minus S of n. P minus S of n. Here P is given. So just a minute. How much P is given in the question? Yeah, 36,000. So P is given now 36,000. Okay. Given P is 36,000. In 3 rows column S of n is not given. So what we'll do, how to do P minus S of n? So 36,000 minus, look at that S of n value. So minus 28,000. We need to subtract it. So that is called 8,000. Guys, clear? Because last 2 rows sum, we are writing constant because P value also is 1. S of n value also 1 in the last method. And this method, P value is only 1, but S of n value is number of value. So we need to subtract it. How it is? So 36,000 minus 28,000. So we got 8,000. So 36,000 minus 22,000. So that is called 14,000. So similarly, 36,000 minus 20,000. So 16,000. Okay. Now 36,000 minus 18,000. So 18,000. Okay, now 36,000 minus 17,000. 17,000. So 19,000. And last one, 36,000 minus 16,000. Just 20,000. Okay, so P minus S sub column is finished. So this is the difference for 3-row sum, and that 2-row sum is constant value, but 3-row sum is not constant value. Now summation of Ci is done. P minus S of N is also done. So finally plus is there. So we should add it both. Finally TC will get it. So these two we are going to add it. Now total cost. Let's see total cost how it is. Okay. 8,000 plus 800. So 8,800. 14,000 plus 21,000. Sorry, 14,000 plus 2,100. 16,000. 16,100. 16,100. Now 20,000. Now 18,000 plus 6,700. So 24,700. 19,000 plus 10,600. 29,600 plus 36,000. Okay, the total cost is finished. Now one more formula, total annual average cost. So TC divided by N. So that is total AAC. TC divided by N. Okay. Now 8,800 divided by 1 is, okay, 8,800. Now 16,100 divided by 2. So 8,050 decreases. 20,000 divided by 3. So 6,666.66 decreases. 24,700 divided by 4. So 6,175. 6,175 decreases. 29,600 divided by 5. 5,920 decreases. 5,920 decreases. Now 36,000 divided by 6. 6,000 increases. Look at that, increases. Fine. Which is the last minimum year? Which is the last minimum year the machine should be replaced? So that is, so 5th year machine should be replaced. Look at that, 5,920. So 5,920, 6,175 is the last minimum, and next year is increase the 6,000. So finally, at the end of 5th year, at the end of 5th year, machine should be replaced. At the end of 6th year, machine should be replaced. Yes, guys, this is the 3-row sums. Okay, machine or scooter, whatever it is. At the end of scooter should replace 5th year. Guys, this is the second method of replacement problem, that is 3-row sums. So we'll move on to one more sum. Okay. Okay, one more question. Just a minute. Problem number 2. Okay. The purchase price of a machine is 10,000. Its salvage rate and maintenance cost are given below. Guys, I told you already. So don't think like always given first column N and C of I and S of N. No, look at that here. Some changes have happened. Be careful. So age is given. So 1 to 5 years. And salvage rate. Maintenance cost is there, na? So that is the third column. That is CI. And salvage rate nothing but S of N. Guys, be careful. So every time don't think like N column is always given C of I, S of N. No, in the last two column, there is always interchanging so that you people are identify in the examination hall. But here happens same thing. So age columns are given. So that should be considered as an N. And after that, salvage rate. So that is S of N, not CI. Maintenance cost is given CI. Okay, clear? 3 columns are given. Okay, S of N, 5,600, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, and 10,000. Finally, CI, 600, 800, 10,000, 14,000, 1,000, 1,400, and 2,000. As usual, first we are going to write P is given here. That is 10,000. So P is given 10,000. Fine. Write formula, total cost. So P minus S of N plus summation of CI. So guys, as usual, we want to do first one, summation of CI for all the replacement problem first. Okay, the first thing is 600. 600 plus 800. 600 plus 800, so 1,400. Plus 1,000, 2,400. 2,400 plus 1,400 is, so 3,800. Plus 5,800. Okay, done. Now, summation of CI is finished. Now, P minus S of N. P minus S of N, we want to do the calculation. Here, P is only one value. S of N is different values are there. So, we're going to subtract first. First is 10,000 minus 5,600. So, 4,400. First one is finished. Now, 10,000 minus 4,000. 10,000 minus 4,000 is 6,000. Okay. Then 10,000 minus 3,000. So 7,000. So 10,000 minus 2,000. 8,000. So 10,000 minus 1,000. So 9,000. Okay. So P minus S of N is done. But now TC is not completed. So there is the middle P minus S of N and summation of CI middle plus is there. So then only TC is get over. The total cost, we should add it. The first one, 5,000. Second one, 6,000 plus 1,400. So 7,400. Then 7,000 plus 2,400 is 9,400. 8,000 plus 3,800. So 11,800. So 9,000 plus 5,800 is 14,800. Okay, this is over. Then annual average cost formula, TAAC is equal to TC divided by N. Now we are in final formula. So what is that? So TC divided by N. 5,000 divided by 1 is, so 5,000. Okay, next one. 7,000 400 divided by 2. So 3,700. 9,400 divided by 3. 3133.33. So decreases 11,800 divided by 4. So 2950. 2950 again decreases. The last one, 14,800 divided by 5. 14,800 divided by 5 is 2960. Okay. 2960. Increases. This is the last minimum year. So that is 4th year. The machine should be replaced. Look at that. How to identify, how to replace the machine. Look at the last column. All data are increases, decreases, suddenly increases. In that, we are going to identify which is the last minimum year. So that year should be a replace. So at the end of 4th year, machine should be a replace. So I'm going to write comment here. You don't have space in the bottom. So at the end of 4th year, so machine should be replaced. Machine should be replaced. Yes. This is the problem number 2 for replacement problem, 3-row sums. So we'll go one more question to clear completely what are all doubts and all. Okay. Now we'll go question number 3. Okay. So this is question number 3. Okay. So what is question number 3 now? The purchase price of a machine B, that is P is given. So 8,000. P is given 8,000. And salvage rate also given. Salvage rate nothing but S of N. And maintenance cost C of I. Okay. So N 1 to 5th year. And maintenance cost, salvage rate S of N. So 4,500, 3,500, 2,500, 1,500 and 500. Maintenance cost also given 500, 600, 800, 1,100 and 1,500. Okay. Yes, formula TC is equal to P minus S of N plus summation of CI. Okay. Now, according to the formula, we'll do summation of CI first. Okay. Summation of CI. First value, 500. 500 plus 600, 1,100. 1,100 plus 800, 1,900. So 1,900 plus 1,100. So 3,000. 3,000 plus 1,500. So 4,500. Okay. Now, according to the formula, P minus S of N. So P is only 1. S of N is number of value. So we need to subtract P minus S of N, P minus S of N, P minus S of N, like that. 8,000 minus 4,500. So 3,500. 8,000 minus 3,500. So 4,500. 8,000 minus 2,500. So 5,500. 8,000 minus 2,500. 5,000 minus 2,500. So 4,500. 8,000 minus 2,500. So 4,500. 8,000 minus 2,500. So 5,500. 8,000 minus 2,500. So 5,500. 8,000 minus 2,500. So 5,500. 8,000 minus 1,100. Oh, sorry. 8,000 minus 1,500. So 6,500. 8,000 minus 500. So 7,500. Okay, P minus S of is done. Now TC is not completed. P minus S of and plus is there. So you want to do plus, then only completed. So that is TC. I should add these two. So first one, 3,500 plus 500 is 4,000. 4,500 plus 4,500 plus 1,100. So 5,600. Now 5,500 plus 1,900. So 7,400. 6,500 plus 3,000. So 9,500. 7,500 plus 7,500 plus 4,500. So 12,000. Yes. The last formula, the total annual average cost, TC divided by N. Okay, TC is here, N is also here. We are going to divide it now. TAAC. So 4,000 divided by 1 is 4,000 on. 5,600 divided by 2. 2,800. Decreases. 7,400 divided by 3. 2,466.6. Decreases. 9,500 divided by 4. 2,375. 2,375. So guys, increases. So 246 compared to 2,375. Oh, sorry. No. 2,375 is decreases only. Sorry. 2,375 decreases. Last one. 12,000 divided by 5. So 2,400. Yes. This is decreases. This is increases. It is the last minimum year. The year should be N. The machine should be replaced. Yes, look at that. 2,375 is the last minimum year. We're going to replace the machine. So we have to write the comment, 1 mark. Don't leave it for the comment. Just know we are putting box and then finish off it. No, we have to write the comment. Put the comment box 1 at the end of 4th year. At the end of 4th year, machine should be replaced. Machine should be replaced. Okay, this is the 3-row sum. So 2-row sums is finished, 3-row sum. And one more method also there here. So what type of method? That is called depreciation cost are given. So sometimes they given 2 years back. 2 years back. So they're given like this. So easy only, very simple. So what do you mean by depreciation cost? Nothing but. So depreciation cost is nothing but P minus S of N. Let's note that. It's very important one. P minus S of N is nothing but depreciation cost. So this type of 2 sum in the textbook. Last 2-3 years back, they asked, nobody done this type of sum. So why we are taking a chance for that, right? We can do this one also. So P minus S of N is nothing but depreciation cost. Guys, be careful. The important one, this. Okay. Now, the following are the maintenance and depreciation cost per year of a vehicle. So year columns are given 1 to 7 year. depreciation cost also given, that is P minus S of N directly given, and maintenance cost also given. So that is CI. Okay, so go for column now. The first one, years. So that is 1 to 7. Years is 1 to 7. Okay. Years is 1 to 7. Depreciation cost. So directly given 18,000, 33,000, 40,500, 44,250, and last 3 years 46,000. 46,000, 46,000, 46,000. Next, maintenance cost. 4,500, 5,500, 6,500, 8,500, 11,000, 15,500, so 17,500. Okay, let me start the sum. So note it, depreciation cost is nothing but P minus S of N. Guys, let me start. Formula. So total cost is equal to P minus S of N plus summation of CI. N plus summation of CI. Okay, P minus S of N, N column and C of I also, N columns are given. Let me see, one more column is possible. Okay. Yes. Now, summation of CI according to the formula. Let's see. 4,500. 4,500 plus 5,500. So 10,000. So 10,000 plus 6,500. 16,000. So 16,500. 16,500 plus 8,500. So 25,000 plus 11,000. So 36,000 plus 15,500. So 51,500 plus 17,500. So 69,000. Okay. Summation of CI is over. Now P minus S of N we can't do because already they given. Now, so P minus of S of N is already there. Summation of CI is that's now be done. So middle plus is there. We should add it both. So that is total cost. So after the total annual average cost. So TC divided by N. Now we should add it both this way. Okay. First one, 4,500 plus 18,000. So 22,500. 22,500 divided by 1. We'll do together. So 22,500. Okay. Now 10,000 plus 33,000. So 43,000 divided by 2. 21,500. Okay, decreases. Similarly, 16,500 plus 40,500. Okay, 57,000 divided by 3. So 19,000. Next, 44,250 plus 44,250 plus 25,000. So 69,250 divided by 4. So 17,312.5. Okay, decreases. Okay. Now 36,000 plus 46,000. 82,000 divided by 5. 82,000 divided by 5. 16,400. Again decreases. 51,500 plus 46,000. 97,500 divided by 6. So 16,250. Again decreases. Now last one. 69,000 divided by, 69,000 plus 46,000. So 5,000 divided by 7. 1642. 1642.428. 1642.8.5 increases. Okay. Which is the last year. So the data is the last minimum. Okay. That is called 6th year. 16,250. At the end of 6th year, machine should be replaced. Machine should be replaced. At the end of 6th year, yeah, no problem. Vehicle or whatever should be. Yes, machine should be replaced. Guys, this is the last method of replacement problem. We successfully completed 2-row sum, 3-row sum, and depreciation cost sum. So this is also important. Please note it up. This problem, especially 6th year, machine should be replaced. So I hope all of you understand. If you're not understand, open my video, keep on doing it. So definitely we'll get 5 mark. Very important for the operation research. One of the technique is called replacement problem. Okay. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Artha aitalla, neat agartha aitalla. Okay. Thank you everyone. Tomorrow game theory ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬರ್ತೀರಾ all of you?
Sir, ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, tomorrow same time game theory. ಎರಡು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ dominance. Yeah, tell me.
Theoretical distribution, sir.
Theoretical distribution ಮಾಡೋಣ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ತಲೆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ನವ್ಯಶ್ರೀಗೆ ಥೆರಾಟಿಕಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅದನ್ನು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
Yes, sir.
ಅದು ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ತಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾ ಟುಡೇ? ನೈಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂತು, ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿ, ಸೊ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 273 ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ 65, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ 240. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 300 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಳ್ರು ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನೆನ್ನೆ 10,000 ವ್ಯೂ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಗೋಣ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಗೇಮ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ 14 days more. ನಗರೇಶ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂದು. Just 14 days more, guys. Remember. ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್.